Okay, I am back, but this time it's not an airsoft review. I'm selling 3 guns, and they're all spring. I'll kind of show you about these guns. So first, I've got the Stinger R39. It's actually a really good gun. I just haven't had time for these bigger guns right now, so I'm getting rid of it. I also got a famas, also spring. This gun is really good. Once again, I don't have time for this. So yeah, really nice gun, nice safety and everything. If you want me to do a review on it first before you want to get into the details of buying it, I'll do that. I also got a pistol for sale. Spring pistol. It's a P36 Stinger. Got a pretty hard plastic clip. Really nice. Like it. But I'm getting rid of it. And if any of you have an M16, I have a foldable stock. So yeah, it's just an extra thing. I'll give it to you for like $1. That's all it's really worth to me. Yeah. Quick thing, how much is a battery for an M16? Need to figure that out. I haven't really looked that up. Comment and tell me. Yeah, so the type of gun is this gun is a Pulse R73, but it's broken. Yeah, I just need to figure out how to fix it, and I might use it again. So yeah, like and subscribe, and just tell me if you're interested in buying the guns. Yeah, okay. Bye.